Hello everyone, here to introduce my lock that I purchased for the front door of my house. E-Link Fingerprint Scanner Smart Lock, controlled by a Tuya Smart app. You can control from your cell phone or a tablet. Just to show you a little bit what it looks like before I pull it out of the box. Here's your instruction manual. On the front here is a fingerprint sensor for all 9 buttons plus a hashtag symbol there at the bottom to complete entering your code. And then this round button up here is your fingerprint scanner with a red, yellow, and green indicator. Instructions of install and how to put it into your front door of your home. And getting on with showing you what's in the box. So this happens to be a zinc finish, black faced, has a little wire that passes through both sides of the lock here that hooks up from one side to the other. Pretty easy installation. The great feature about this front handle is that it has a small mini USB port in case the batteries run out. This is also in case that you forgot to take or attach your high security key and take that with you. So that battery pack will power up the front face so you can type in your code and get back in your door, or your high security key. I doubt that can be copied at your local hardware store. Can be inserted into the front handle to manually unlock your front door. So on the other handle, this screw here on the end releases this plastic cover for your battery compartment. And that will be on the interior of your home, of course, because you don't want anyone from the outside just unplugging the batteries and being able to open up the door. Also included in the box is an interior bar that allows all the internal components to move. 2 screws to connect both handles through your door. And then, of course, your door jamb locking pieces. This based on what kind of door that you have. This plastic piece may not necessarily be needed. And at the bottom, of course, with all standard door handles and door locks, is your interior locking device, and that locks it to your door jamb. Of course, that's where your center bar goes to operate, right? So the unique features about this particular electronic door locking device is that it can store up to 100 6 to 11 digit codes. Fingerprint scanner in the front can hold up to 3 administrator fingerprints so that you can physically change the codes for, say, you're renting this, it's being used for an Airbnb. The owner can walk up and change the combo for the people that are now renting, or it can be done through the cell phone app mentioned earlier. This will also track through the app up to 25,000 door opening and closings. And that is important for the instance of battery usage. The batteries last up to 1 year, and you can tell who is coming and who is going. And if you have a doorbell camera, which most people do nowadays, this will be a secondary alert in case your camera doesn't catch them coming in and out of the house. So it's extremely handy to have one of these nowadays. Not to mention, it's just really nice to walk out of your house and not have to carry any house keys with you. Even if you don't carry your little high security keys and you know your batteries are good, it's nice that you don't have to forget your keys out in town somewhere, say at the grocery store, a bar, whatever your heart desires that you go out and have fun and do. Next segment video, we'll show you how to install it. Thanks.
As you can see, my husband is installing the e-lock door on our San Diego rental property. First, remove the old lock. Bring all necessary tools to ensure that this process proceeds successfully. Add the 4 batteries to the inner lock as well. The e-lock door should be installed. Insert the outer handle into the lock and then connect it to the little cable inside the lock. The e-lock door is now in place. It's time to download the app. Check the Wi-Fi is turned on because it is fueled by an internet connection. First, designate an administrator. This person will have complete access to the app and will be able to apply codes and fingerprints. I've always wanted this type of door for a rental property, so it's easy to manage when it's time to hand it over to someone else. The Tuya app must be downloaded by the administrators. The other members are not required to do so. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day.